Hi friends! In this video, let's see to get or know your forgotten Wi-Fi router password. This is a very simple way and very easy steps to follow. You can try it in Windows 8 and 10. Come let's see. Go to Settings. Click Network and Internet. You will find Status option on the side of the screen. Click that option and you will find Network and Sharing Center option below that page. Click it to open Network and Sharing Center window. There, click your Wi-Fi network name connected to your system. Wi-Fi status dialog box opens. There click Wireless Properties. Your Wireless Network Properties dialog box opens. Then click Security tab. Here, click the checkbox of Show Characters option. You will able to see your Wi-Fi password. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe the channel for more technical videos.